Okay, hello great people. We want to make rice paper seal, and this is how it looks. It's transparent and you can cut it into pieces if you like, or use it as it is and cover your bowl or anything with it directly as it is. But I'm going to be cutting it into pieces. You can get this at any baker store or sugar craft store. Where you get your cake ingredients, just tell them rice paper. Not rice paper sale, please. You tell them you want to buy rice paper. Alright, I just mixed little water with the color, red color, and that's why you see me painting it on a small bowl. So you don't really have to dip your paper directly into the water. It saves you wasting your color, and yet you are able to do the same thing. So you see, immediately it gets soft. So just brush the water over your rice paper seal. Any color you are using, put it in a small water in your measuring cup or any container, and brush it over your paper seal front and back. Then in seconds, your paper the paper starts softening. So that's what is happening to this. It's not really that soft yet, but it's almost there. So I'm trying to position it in a way I want and trying to create a pleat with it. So you need to be careful with it at this stage so you don't tear it. Alright, I'm going to do the other pieces and then set them on the bowl. Alright, now that the paper is set, we're going to leave it to dry. You can wait till whenever or the second day, but before then I want to paint on a blue color, just blue fondant color, gel color with water. I'm brushing it over. If you have a brush you want to spray, go ahead. So I'm just brushing lines of blue color on the paper seal to give it an effect. So if you want to use it right away, it's possible, but you have to do some work. So you blow hot air over the paper seal. Yes, it's going to get dry in a matter of 10 to 15 minutes if you have it on eye heat and eye hair. So you can see that I did this like more than 10 minutes. So I just discovered that it takes a little bit more time. So that's how to make your paper seal, and you remove it from the bowl, put on your cake. So I left the other pieces on the table till the next day, and here it is. So just like that, you can arrange them on your cake at the center of your cake, and it's ready.